In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your TikTok account from your contacts. The process is pretty quick and simple, so let's start right away. The first thing that we will do is to open the TikTok app on our device and then make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. We're going to go over to our TikTok profile by tapping on the profile picture on the bottom right corner of the screen. The next thing that we'll do is to tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will open this menu with a couple of options. You'll want to select the settings and privacy right here, and that will open our TikTok settings page. Tap on this privacy option, which should be the second option from the top. The next step is to scroll a bit down to the bottom until you see this Suggest Your Account to Others button. That's in the Friend Suggestions section. After you open this, there's going to be 3 or 4 different options which you can enable or disable, and since we want to stop the contacts from seeing our TikTok account, we'll simply turn this switch off next to the contacts, and that's it. If this video helped you out, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and I'll see you soon.